to the Academy of HighLake Technologies for software and bioinformatics. Ever wondered why some tech professionals seem to skyrocket in their careers while others struggle? The answer often lies not in their technical abilities, but in their soft skills and the continuous upskilling they engage in. Welcome to the world of the Academy of HighLake Technologies, where we are devoted to creating a transformative learning platform that helps professionals unlock their potential and seize opportunities at every stage of their careers. Thousands of our learners have witnessed a 5 times return on investment from our program. They've experienced career growth, expanded their professional network, and increased their confidence. But it's not just about the benefits you can see. It's about the transformation you can feel. It's about the satisfaction of knowing you're not just keeping up with the tech industry, but staying ahead of it. Our offerings include Java, Azure, AWS, DevOps, Python, data science training, and basic introduction to embedded. We provide online and offline training and certificate courses under the guidance of our seasoned industry experts. Each program is meticulously designed to equip you with the most sought-after skills in the industry. Enroll in the Academy of HighLake Technologies today. Unlock your potential, seize your opportunities, and let your career soar. Remember, the future waits for no one. Enroll in the Academy of HighLake Technologies and set your career on the fast track to success. The sky's the limit. We cannot solve problems with the kind of thinking we employed when we came up with them. Albert Einstein. The road to success and the road to failure are almost exactly the same. Colin R. Davis.